Hi children, welcome to my channel Sada Anu Creations. నేను ఇప్పుడు 4th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లోని బ్రిడ్జింగ్ గ్యాప్ యాక్టివిటీ పిక్చర్ నెంబర్ 1 ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాను. ఇది కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ 4th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. Okay, my English world. Okay, let us start children. My name is Sarita, Bhadradri Kottagudem district. Okay, now let us start bridging gap activity picture number 1. Okay, page number 1 children. We will discuss about this picture today. Okay, now see here, observe the picture carefully children. What do you see? What do you see? What is the place you see in the picture? This is a village. This is a village. Okay, here this place is a village. This is looking like a village. ఓకే, పల్లెటూరి వాతావరణం కనిపిస్తుంది. ఆవులు, గేదెలు, గొర్రెలు, మనుషులు, ఒక చిన్న సరస్సు, ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ ఏ విలేజ్. పల్లెటూరి వాతావరణం కనిపిస్తుంది, పల్లెటూరు. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్లేస్ యూ సీ ఇన్ ద పిక్చర్? దిస్ ఈజ్ అ విలేజ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ సిటీ. నౌ see next question. What things do you see in the picture? In this picture, what things do you see? Let us see what things we see in this picture. Here a big tree is there. In this picture a big tree is there. On the tree we see two monkeys are there. Two monkeys are there on the tree. Here two coconut trees are there. And here some men and women are going. They are walking on the road. Here a boy is riding a bicycle. Here a woman is taking jag on her head. Here a farmer is there. He is taking haystack on his bullock cart. Okay, here some trees are there, palm trees are there. Here in the sky birds are there, they are flying. Here another bird is there. Here a big hill is there. On the top of the hill a temple. Beside the temple a flag is there. Here some houses are there, a road and a culvert, a boat, a sailor, crane. Here fisherman, some boys and girls are there. Here a washerman, a shepherd, sheep, stones, clothes, some bushes. All these we see in this picture. Okay, all these things we see in this picture children. Okay, who are the people you see in the picture? In this picture, who are the people you see? We see some men and women are there and some children are there. Okay, here next question, what are they doing? Here some men and children are there in this picture. What are they doing? Here on the bullock cart a farmer is there. He is taking haystack on his bullock cart. Okay, he is taking haystack on his bullock cart. Here a woman is taking jag on her head and she is going. Here a small boy, he is riding a bicycle. Here, see here, this boy is riding a bicycle. Here some men and women, they are walking on the road. They are going somewhere. They are going somewhere. Okay, walking on the road. Here he is shepherd. He is taking his sheep to graze grass. He is taking his sheep to graze grass. Here a washerman is there. He is washing clothes. See here, this washerman is washing clothes. Here some children are swimming in this pond. A pond is there. In this pond some children are bathing. They are bathing. Some children are swimming. Here a fisherman. A fisherman is catching fish with his net. Here a crane is there. A sailor is sailing a boat here. See, all these things we see in this picture. See children, in this, all these things we see in this picture. Here in this picture, things are there. Some are living and some are non-living things we see. Here, temple, it is a non-living thing. Here, birds, they have life. They fly in the air. They can eat. They can move. So, they are living things. See here, living things we will see. Let us see living things in this picture. Birds are living things. Monkeys are living things. Men and women are living things. Here, boys and girls are living things. Sheep are living things. Okay, all these are living things. Let us see non-living things. Temple, flag, houses, bullock cart, culvert, boat, net, stones, road, bicycle. All these are non-living things. Okay, they can't move, they can't talk, they can't eat, they can't ride, they can't play. So they are non-living things. The difference between living and non-living things: living things, they have life. Non-living things, they don't have life. Okay, they can't move. Non-living things, they can't move. Okay, living things, they can move. For example, here boy, he is a living thing. Okay, he can move, he can grow, he can live, he can talk, he can walk, he can run, he can jump. Birds also living things. Here monkeys and sheep also living things. Fish, crane, all these are living things. Here cows, they are also living things. Okay, bullocks also living things. Here this bicycle, non-living thing. Stones, non-living thing. Culvert, non-living thing. Temple, flag, houses, all these are boat, net, cap, towel. All these are clothes. These are non-living things. Here trees, living things. Trees, they grow. Okay, when we cut the tree, it will die. So it is a living thing. Tree is a living thing. Okay. Here, what else we see? Here, all these things we see in this picture. See here in this picture, some actions are going on. See here, this boy is riding a bicycle. Farmer is going to home. Shepherd is taking his sheep to graze grass. A washerman is washing clothes. A fisherman is fishing. A sailor is sailing a boat. Boys and girls are, they are bathing and swimming. So swimming, riding and going, walking, talking, washing, catching, all these are action words. See here, catch, see, go, come, wash, these are action words. When we add ing to these action words, they become ing forms. Okay, let us see ing forms, children. See here. Here in the picture we observe that the monkeys are jumping on the tree. Here 2 monkeys are jumping on the tree. Okay, jump plus ing, jumping. Jump plus ing, jumping. Next, here washerman is washing clothes. See here, wash plus ing, washing. Wash plus ing, washing. Okay. Next, here a fisherman is there. He is fishing. Okay. Fish plus ing, fishing. See here, fish plus ing, fishing. Next, here a sailor is sailing a boat. Sail plus ing, sailing. Sail plus ing, sailing. See here in this picture, a sailor is sailing a boat. Next, here a man and woman are going. Okay, go plus ing, going. Go plus ing, going. Next, here children are bathing in the pond. Children are bathing in the pond. Bath plus ing, bathing. Bath plus ing, bathing. See here in this picture, Birds are flying. Here we observe that birds are flying. Okay. Fly plus ing, flying. Fly plus ing, flying. Okay. Here men and women are walking. They are walking on the road. Walk plus ing, walking. Walk plus ing, walking. Okay. The monkeys are jumping on the tree. We observe these things in this picture. The monkeys are jumping on the tree. Jump plus sing, jumping. A washerman is washing clothes. Wash plus sing, washing. A fisherman is fishing. Fish plus ing, fishing. A sailor is sailing a boat. Okay. Sail plus ing, sailing. Men and women are going on the road. Okay. Go plus ing, going. Go plus ing, going. The children are bathing in the pond. Okay. But bathe plus ing, bathing. So these are ing forms. See here children. Go, bathe, fly, walk, jump, wash, fish, sail. All these are action words. All these are action words, means verbs. When we add ing to these words, they will become ing forms. Okay, they will become ing forms. So, go plus ing, going. This is an action word. This is ing form. Okay, when we add ing to this action word, that will become ing form. Go plus ing, going. Bathe plus ing, bathing. Fly plus ing, flying. Walk plus ing, walking. Jump plus ing, jumping. Wash plus ing, washing. Fish plus ing, fishing. Sail plus ing, sailing. Okay, these are the action words, children. See, we will see some more actions. Okay, some more actions. See here, this boy is standing. Stand plus ing, standing. See here, this girl is clapping. Chappatlu kodutundi. Clap plus ing, clapping. This boy is shouting. Shout plus ing, shouting. This boy is eating. Eat plus ing, eating. This girl is reading. Read plus ing, reading. This girl is running. Run plus ing, running. This girl is walking. Walk plus ing, walking. This girl is going. Go plus ing, going. This girl is singing. Sing plus ing, singing. This girl is exercising. Exercise plus ing, exercising. This boy is playing with a ball. Play plus ing, playing. This girl is dancing. Dance plus ing, dancing. This boy is smiling. Smile plus ing, smiling. This girl is laughing. Laugh plus ing, laughing. This girl is climbing. Climb plus ing, climbing. This girl is sitting. Sit plus ing, sitting. This boy is writing. Write plus ing, writing. This girl is swimming. Swim plus ing, swimming. This boy is cutting a paper. Cut plus ing, cutting. This boy is yarning. Yarn plus ing, yarning. This girl is drinking. Drink plus ing, drinking. This girl is crawling. Crawl plus ing, crawling. These are actions. When we add ing to actions, they will become ing forms. Standing, clapping, shouting, eating, reading, running, walking, going, singing, exercising, playing, dancing, smiling, laughing, climbing, sitting, writing, swimming, cutting, yarning, drinking, crawling. Okay, these are the actions. Action means that is verb, nothing but doing words. Okay, let us revise once again. What is the place you see in the picture? This is a village. What things do you see in this picture? Temple, flag, hill, houses, trees, palm tree, coconut trees, birds, men, women, children, pond, boat, crane, net, hat, towel, sheep, water, culvert, bicycle, monkeys, bushes, sky, road. All these things we see in this picture. In this picture, Some are living things, some are non-living things. Okay, living things, farmer, boys and girls, men and women, sheep, fish, crane, birds, monkeys, trees, all these are living things. Non-living things, temple, flag, hill, houses, road, bullock cart, bicycle, culvert, boat, net, hat, towel, clothes, stones. All these are non-living things, children. Who are the people you see in the picture? A farmer, a fisherman, a sailor, a washerman, a shepherd, and men and women and some children. Okay, this we see in this picture. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Okay, bye.